Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Autodesk Alias Design 2025 absolutely free from the official Autodesk website. No cracks, no third-party sites. This is the official and safe method. So, make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official site. Open your browser and search for Autodesk Alias Design Free Trial 2025, or directly go to autodesk.com. Important: only download from the official Autodesk website to avoid fake links or viruses. Step 2. Sign in or create Autodesk account. To download the Alias Design trial, you'll need an Autodesk account. Click Sign in if you already have one, or click Create Account to register for free. Step 3. Select Free Trial and download. After logging in, scroll down and click on Download Free Trial. You'll see the latest version, Autodesk Alias Design 2025. Choose your operating system, Windows 10/11, 64-bit. Click Download Now. Your Alias installer file will begin downloading automatically. The file size may be large, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. That's it. Your Autodesk Alias Design 2025 official setup is now downloaded and ready to install. So that's how you can download Autodesk Alias Design 2025 free trial safely and officially from Autodesk's website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free software tutorials. See you in the next one.